Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Quantum Frontline Industries delivers first German-built Linza drones to Ukraine, begins serial production phase. Quantum Frontline Industries has completed production of its first batch of drones and begun deliveries to the armed forces of Ukraine. The milestone marks the transition from initial production setup to sustained serial output under a German-Ukrainian co-production model. The first German-produced Linza drones are now being supplied, while the company continues to ramp up manufacturing capacity. The development signals a shift towards scaled and continuous delivery aligned with operational demand throughout the year. The Linza systems, developed by Frontline Robotics, are produced under their Build with Ukraine initiative. The program combines Ukrainian design expertise with German industrial manufacturing to ensure consistent and scalable output. Matthias Lehner, managing director of Quantum Frontline Industries, said the deliveries represent a key step in the program's development. The first deliveries mark the shift from building capability to delivering at scale. Our priority now is to increase output, stabilize production, and ensure reliable, continuous supply aligned with operational demand. Mikita Rojkov, Chief Business Development Officer of Frontline Robotics, said the focus remains on meeting operational needs. Our goal is to help ensure that the needs of Ukrainian forces for tactical UAVs are fully met. We are focused on delivering systems that perform reliably in real operations, while maintaining stable and predictable supply on our side. We are grateful to the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine, the German Ministry of Defense, and our partners for making this possible. The company said further details of the deliveries are being withheld for operational security reasons. This reflects the sensitivity of the program and its direct support to ongoing military operations. Quantum Frontline Industries is the first joint venture established under the Build with Ukraine initiative. It was created by Quantum Systems and Frontline Robotics to develop Europe's first fully automated, industrial-scale foreign production line for drones dedicated to the Ukrainian armed forces. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.